They need to focus on new business models. Okay? Why are business models important? Everyone said, well, I can use the business model canvas and use the canvas and I can draw a business model. But, demo, do you know who your customer is? Customer, wakarimasu. Customer needs, wakarimasu. Jobs to be done, wakarimasu. That is very important. Do you know what this is? This here, this right here is the canvas. This is the theory. This is scientific. This is academic theory. This is the canvas. Okay? This right here is the canvas. This was thought of by Alex a few years ago when he was writing, when we were designing the canvas, he thought about this. Okay? This is the academic theory. You know this is this. This is the business model canvas. This is the same as this. There's no difference. Okay? This is what we talk about when we focus on the canvas. We focus on the surrounding areas of the canvas. Economic trends, economic factors, social trends, the competitive trends. We focus on all of this. Business models change over time. Okay, and my friend, he will talk about this later. But business models change over time. One thing that we need to focus on is how business models change over time. Okay? Business model canvas. 今日のフォーカスは value proposition と顧客セグメント。Okay? When we talk about business models, we talk about 5 different areas where business models can start from. You can have resource-led, offer-led, customer-led, multi-center-led, and finance-led. To show you an example, here we're analyzing from the offer perspective, the value proposition perspective. Everyone knows the value proposition, right? In this scenario, we talk about the kinyu, financial perspective. Okay? In this scenario, we talk about the customer perspective. Now today, we're going to talk about the customer perspective and why, naze, this is so important. This is very important. Customer centricity, or the customer perspective. We talk about customer kokaku segmentation. Now we're going to talk about this. We talk about which jobs need to be done to satisfy the customer. That's how this is important. This right here is very important for this. Very key. And I'll show you why. When we were working on the canvas, okay, you can translate for me. We were working on the canvas. The canvas has been around for like 3 years, 4 years now. So, don't do our feedback work there. Kokaku segment though, value proposition one is very broad. And the customer feedback was that basically we wanted something to really focus on value propositions and customer segment. And that is very important when you're working on your business model canvas, or when you're working on a business model.
今のトランスレーションさせていただきますが、革新的な顧客価値提案をデザインするためには、まず顧客問題の解決への純粋な理解から始めるということが大切になってきます。顧客は製品やサービスを買っているわけではありません。彼らは問題を解決するために製品やサービスを雇うのです。ここで単純な簡単な例を挙げますが、例えばAさんがホームセンターでドリルを買ったとします。その場合、ドリルを買うこと自体が A さんの目的ではなくて、もしかしてその週末にあるホームパーティーのためにリビングに絵を描けたいので、壁に穴を開けたいからドリルを買ったとか、 もしくは、単純にベンチを庭にですねベンチを置きたいので、日曜大工のためにドリルを買っただとか、そういった理由が必ずあるものですね。